All right, we're at 1215 Northeast 168th. Date's March 5th, 2021. What we're looking at is a big old root ball right kind of at the corner of the property. What is that? Southwest corner?
Yeah, southwest corner.
Southwest corner of the property there. About 4 feet deep, I located it. I can't push the camera through this root. It is just too massive to get through from this spot. So we're going to come back from that point and get a look at this line. We are in, I believe, it looks like 4-inch diameter concrete still.
Yeah, it is all the time.
Yeah, it's a 4 on the whole property. So 4-inch diameter concrete. We're coming back from that point with the roots. I zeroed out my footage there, and we'll get a good look at this line. So thus far we're intact. Line's in decent shape. A little root intrusion. So you've seen how these pipes are. About every 2 feet there's a seam, and that's where those roots are getting in. Kind of the weak spot in the pipe. Okay, we are jumping back now into a, well, there's 2 lines that Y together here. There's a line down coming from the lower level of the house that Y's into this line right here. I'm going to pause the video briefly and locate this spot. Okay, so we've got, looks like 56 feet of pipe from that big root where we got stuck back to this point where the lines come together. So now that we're back into this line, I'm going to zero out the footage again, and we'll come back up towards this clean out.
God, it reminds me of my colonoscopy that I had.
Doctor doing the same thing?
Yeah.
I'm not as qualified. So it just gets really rough on the bottom. Just aggregate concrete starts catching it up. Like you said,
Yeah.
1.2 gallons just
It
can't.
won't.
Even if it was glass, it would have a tough time making it 100 and something feet. But definitely replacing it with plastic or a liner would smooth us out here.
I want you to give me the 2 prices.
2 prices?
Either,
Trenching or lining?
Yeah, either completely. I saw on YouTube because I've been watching yesterday all day YouTube.
Uh-huh.
And
See, that's your big, there's your culprit. This one's right here.
really,
Yeah. Once you get past that, it's where you made your connection. Plastic to concrete.
I thought I did a pretty good job on the connection.
It doesn't matter. The roots will get through it.
The root that came inside.
Yeah, what'd you use to connect it?
I use a boot, a rubber boot from
Yeah.
both sides, and I tighten it with a stainless steel.
Yeah. I'm going to pause the video there. We're going to jump over to the other clean out.
Sure.
Oops. We're not ready to record yet. Can't pause again. Okay, continuing recording. This time we're making the recording from the check valve access point here at the lower part of the house. This is that secondary line that we see the branch arm. So we've seen the rest of the line beyond this point. We haven't seen this line coming back from this point. So we zeroed out the footage again. We're now coming back again through 4-inch diameter concrete pipe. And this is kind of running, what is that, southbound? Through the yard. It's kind of along the fence line there. Got some root intrusion through this one as well. Got some roots there. We come around a little turn here, pretty sharp 90-degree turn or so. Big old root there. Another small root here. Now we're coming back into, looks like cast iron here. Oh, not cast iron, that should have been plastic, excuse me. I'm losing it here. Coming back concrete to cast iron, or plastic right here. And then I'm out of the clean out. So there's your clean out access. I'm gonna end the video there. We're gonna try one more spot here. All right, we're gonna make this last little recording just to show these last couple of feet here before we get into PVC that's at the property line here. So it goes back into concrete. I'm actually gonna zero this out here just to, I think we're right there, but. Yep, that's the big root I couldn't get past. So just on the other side, about another 2 feet of pipe, and then we're into plastic. So we've already seen all this footage. I'm gonna end the recording.